Alright, let's learn lung sounds together. Save this video so you don't forget. Part 2. Alright, sound number 1. So this is stridor. This is an upper airway emergency, and it can be caused by things like croup or bacterial tracheitis or things like epiglottitis, especially in kids because they've got narrower airways. Alright, sound number 2. So this is an expiratory wheeze. This can be commonly heard in asthmatic patients and is caused by bronchoconstriction, which narrows the airways. Alright, sound number 3. So this is rhonchi. This is a low-pitched, continuous breath sound that's heard during inspiration and expiration, and is caused by large amounts of secretions in the airways. And it could be caused by things like COPD, pneumonia, cystic fibrosis, bronchiectasis.